Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to discuss index parameter and missing values in Pandas series. So let's get started with the index parameter. Guys, we can add index to the Pandas series with index parameter. It provides a name to the rows. The length should be equal to the size of the column. Now let me open up the Jupyter notebook. I will show you the working of index parameter. Guys, first of all, we need to import Pandas library. So let's import Pandas library. Now guys, let's create the series. And let's run these scripts. So guys, this is the series S. Guys, these are the by default indexes in this series and these are the values. Guys, we can add index to this series. So let's add the index to this series. So guys, we have added indexes A, B, C, D and E to this series by this index parameter, and this is the output of this program. I hope it is clear to you. Now moving forward guys, the next topic is missing values in this series. So let's go ahead. We can create Pandas series with missing values. Missing values are represented as NaN. And NaN means not a number. We use NumPy to create missing values. Now guys, let me open up the Jupyter notebook where I will show you the implementation of missing values as NaN. Guys, now we are going to import Pandas. So let's import the Pandas. Now import NumPy as well. And run these scripts. Now guys, let's create a series here. And now guys, I am basically giving a missing value here by using NaN. So let's use np.nan, and now I'm going to print this series. So guys, this is the output of this script, and here we are getting NaN. That is basically not a number. So guys, I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.